Hi, I'm Mason Humphrey. I'm the commercial director here at Biblioteca, and we are at ALA in Chicago showing off our digital book kiosk. So this digital kiosk brings books to life through immersive multimedia experiences where we are projecting multimedia onto these physical pages so that your patrons, your community can experience them in a way never seen before. So with this, we've got the Van Gogh experiences. You see that I'm flipping these physical pages that your patrons can feel, touch, but then with this digital projection, you're seeing the pages come to life where you can actually touch, interact with them. With here, if you want to actually read what Van Gogh wrote in his notes, you can translate it from the original to English. Now you can read through it, you can touch some of these experiences, and it'll show and it'll paint out what Van Gogh had from his sketches to the actual picture. And then with that, not just Van Gogh, but we have other experiences that come with this device. So you also get stuff like children's interactive experiences with Peter the Rabbit. So you can see I put the book up there, Peter the Rabbit pops off the page, and then I'm going to now start moving through the experience. And so what this is doing is it's sensing different images, different symbols on the page, so it always knows where you are, and then it's knowing when you are touching different parts of those pages. So you're able to go through and interact, tap the book in different places and watch things disappear, and then you go through and get to read this fun tale of Peter the Rabbit and see how he is eating carrots, jumping off the page, something that your kids will absolutely love and will bring and draw droves of your community in to see and feel these amazing experiences. So here at Bibliotech, we're excited to show this off. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and looking forward to having the next conversation.